In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Bybit through P2P trading. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Bybit on your device and sign into your Bybit account. Now, before you can start using the P2P trading feature of Bybit, make sure that you verify your account on Bybit. Now, go ahead and click on P2P trading and this will redirect you into this page. Now, in here, go ahead and select USDT as the cryptocurrency. You can also set the amount that you want to view on the P2P trading section of Bybit by clicking on the amount which you'll find beside the cryptocurrency. So go ahead and click on the amount, and here you can enter the amount along with your currency. You can also filter out all payment methods to specific ones if you only have specific payment methods at hand, and click on the confirm button and this will be filtered for you. Now you can just go ahead and select from any of this. So as you can see at the top of this search result, you'll be able to find this recommendation. You won't be able to access all of this if your account has been created recently, so just go ahead and click on the recommended. Now in here, just go ahead and enter the amount that you can offer using your currency. Make sure that the money that you have on your funds is enough to cover for this. If you want to pay for this P2P trading using your outstanding balance on the platform, but you can use other payment method by clicking on the buy button. This will redirect you into a new page. In here, you'll be able to find a few information about your P2P trading buy, and the duration for waiting for your payment is indicated on this section. You'll find this at the top right corner of your screen. So to be able to proceed with the payment, click on the pay now button, which you'll find at the bottom right of your screen. So as you can see in here, you have 4 different payment methods that you can use, and on each payment method you'll be able to find the instructions that you'll need to do to be able to pay for this P2P trade with your selected payment method. Now once you have paid through your selected payment method, just go ahead and click on the payment completed button to be able to confirm that your payment has been done for the platform and receive the cryptocurrency that you bought. And that's how you can simply buy USDT on Bybit using P2P trading. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.